What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your middle of the day market update. Wanted to do a full update talking about what's going on. It hasn't been too long since I did my Bitcoin analysis because that's part of this video, of course. We'll look at Bitcoin, we'll talk about the news, or at least news you need to know. And then we'll talk about some cryptos that I think are interesting. Now, in general, right now the markets are far from ideal, all right? We had a relatively big sell-off yesterday. If you look at Bitcoin right here, relatively big sell-off, bearish breakout, and well, essentially confirmation that the bullish momentum we had Sunday into Monday was more of a bigger fake out right here, and that couldn't be trusted. No, Monday into Tuesday, excuse me. Dropped down below 62,000, which was the main level we broke above, and now the big question is, can we actually hold 60,000? 60,000 up to 60,500 was the main support level last week. If we're able to hold that, then we can still continue to consolidate here. And from that consolidation, we can also turn around. I mean, like I said last time around, and also one of the key reasons why I did expect some bullish momentum was the fact that we actually did get some nice bottom signals right here. Technically, but also fundamentally a little bit, or at least you could argue. So if we're able to hold 60 right here, we could also still see some bullish momentum from there. We'll have to see. But yeah, that is very much the summary of my analysis on Bitcoin. We have to see. All right, if we can hold 60,000, what we saw earlier today is that, you know, a lot of shorts are being opened here as well. So we might just squeeze up a bit. All right, so to liquidate or to hunt some short positions, which you can see right here. By the way, open interest going up while the CVD is going down. A lot of shorts being opened. So what that creates, by the way, ETF inflows yesterday were negative, but slightly negative, only due to grayscale selling. And what you can see right now, if you zoom out to the liquidity heat map a little bit, is that there's a lot of liquidity all the way up to, well, all the way from 62,600 up to 64,000. So there's a lot of liquidity up there. At the same point of time, we look relatively weak here. All right, we're at support. We got a nice liquidation candle here, but so much support we are not we're not really finding here, right? So we need that confirmation. We need confirmation that we can hold 60,000. I would say at the very least by breaking above 60,600 here. If we get that confirmation, then we can assume that this consolidation on the short term at least will hold, and then altcoins can rally. Now, which altcoins can rally today? Most of the altcoins can't, all right? Most of the altcoins right now are very, very correlated to Bitcoin. So they just do whatever Bitcoin does. Now, there are some cryptos, like personally, I think StormX, which is a bit of a scam coin, so be careful with it. Personally, I bought a little bit of this, but it's very risky, right? I would not recommend. I think ladies can still rally, but again, I mean, these, which were relatively bullish earlier, are all very, very weak right now. XRP, same thing. Cardano, same thing. I think ZK Sync, so now I'm just naming all the cryptos that I think are interesting, so hopefully that's still valuable for you. I think ZK Sync is actually still holding up relatively well. Same for Zero, even though with Zero, I would actually like some sort of a break retest short position. While with ZK Sync, I would like to long a breakout above 19 cents. So those are two positions I'm looking at. I should have shorted MOG like this. I was looking at this, but I missed it because the breakout happened overnight. Would have been good. Pendle maybe is getting towards nice levels. I think TON actually is still bullish. So TON could be a good long position, I would say. Kaspa, I'm looking for a short position. I think we are breaking down a little bit here. Jasmine is getting towards a very strong support level. That could work. And then apart from that, most altcoins just look very, very bad. All right, that's like, if anything changes, we have some major news in the next couple of days. Like today, we have the initial jobless claims, which were higher than expected actually. So that should have been bullish, or at least if we look at the dollar strength index. Yeah, dollar strength index is dropping down. So that news that we just got should have been bullish for Bitcoin. The fact that Bitcoin is not reacting tells you enough of the strength of Bitcoin right now. But we also have FOMC minutes later today. We have, and then on Friday we have some other news which I will inform you on. But no, for now, main question is, can we hold 60,000? If yes, by breaking above 60,600, great. If not, it's probably 57, 58,000 next. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.